In today's fast-pacing technological landscape, every industry is pushing the boundaries of innovation and progress. It's more than just craftsmanship. It's the fusion of knowledge, cutting-edge technology, and timeless wisdom handed down through generations. Despite these advancements, welders still face significant challenges in achieving precision and efficiency. Until now. Introducing the revolutionary ARCCAPTAIN MIG 205MP, the world's first app-controlled, multifunctional welder and cutter. Perfectly designed for DIY enthusiasts, workshops, and industrial applications alike. Featuring a user-friendly large digital display and a built-in MCU control system, stay on track with intuitive voice prompts and a simple interface, empowering every welder to craft their unique style. Experience unmatched precision with pulsed MIG and TIG welding capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, the MIG 205MP's intuitive Send mode helps you master welding techniques faster than ever before. The MIG 205MP guarantees consistent, repeatable welds with unparalleled ease. Enjoy enhanced safety, stability, and precision, even during long hours of high-intensity work. With app control, manage functions and parameters effortlessly from your smartphone. The built-in data storage and memory functions save your settings even in tight or awkward spaces. No more tedious manual adjustments. Just tap, set, and weld. The MIG 205MP is more than just a welder. It's also a plasma cutter, delivering the combined value of two essential tools in one versatile machine. Equipped with high-frequency TIG start and foot pedal control, precision welding has never been easier. Independent cooling ducts ensure reliable, long-lasting performance even during intensive use. Every detail reflects our unwavering commitment to innovation and the enduring legacy of craftsmanship. The MIG 205MP is now live on Kickstarter. This revolutionary multifunctional machine is set to transform your workshop. Join us today and be part of this exciting journey toward the future of welding. At ARCCAPTAIN, we innovate sustainably with climate-friendly products, leveraging technology to protect the planet, foster responsibility, and drive a greener future.
Introducing LEAPSONIC, a new audio speaker solution that brings the soundtrack of your world to life, anywhere. A smart metal drive attaches to resonant material, like glass, wood, or metal, transforming any surface into a high-quality speaker. Our speaker can offer dynamic, wide bandwidth sound emitted evenly across the surface area.
Hi, I'm Brad Lefton, co-founder of LEAPSONIC. Why do portable Bluetooth speakers look bad and often sound worse? We think we can do better, much better. We took an idea from one of the U.S. Navy's sonar defense programs and applied it to producing sound in a revolutionary way. At the core of our product is a smart metal magnet which vibrates powerfully, powerful enough to move most hard surfaces. We figured out how to apply this to a speaker, so if you place LEAPSONIC on a hard surface, wood, glass, metal, that surface becomes a speaker.
Our new, sleek, and innovative shape, designed by renowned designer Karim Rashid, stands out among a sea of sameness.
So I designed a speaker for LEAPSONIC. It seems obvious to draw this feeling of, say, the ripple of sound, how sound is a 360-degree phenomenon. It can then put onto any surface. It's an interesting project and a fantastic new technology.
Because the sound emanates from a wide area, the listener perceives a stereo sound with an immersive quality, but from a small portable unit. LEAPSONIC's patented technology adapts to wherever you choose to listen to music. Try new surfaces to achieve your preferred sound profile.
This phase is just the beginning.
As a backer, you'll be part of an exclusive group that will help verify additional features and provide functionality that's possible to include in production units and shape the development roadmap for LEAPSONIC's future. This is our limited edition Kareem Rashid premium design offered to early adopters on Kickstarter. Our most recent and exciting augmentation is the patent-pending spring suspension base that isolates the case from our solid surface transducer to create maximum magnetic flux around the voice coil to ensure the cleanest sound on the most resonant of surfaces such as glass, mirrors, and fiberglass. So think of windows, glass tabletops, and shower surrounds. These are the surfaces that we most highly endorse.
LEAPSONIC delivers a new type of audio experience, an experience that bridges the gap between sound and space.
Meet PLANCK, the smallest SSD ever invented with a phone-first design. It connects securely to your devices and disappears into your palm as you record. No more bulky drives or tangled cables, just streamlined performance. PLANCK delivers secure, fast, and reliable storage with up to 2 terabytes of capacity right where you need it. Power up your creativity with PLANCK. Record pro-level 4K 120 FPS Apple ProRes videos directly to your PLANCK SSD without any delays or frame drops. Blazing fast 1050 megabyte per second speeds let you create and transfer files, all without missing a beat. Label your SSD and manage your content easily across all your devices. PLANCK's advanced thermal design keeps it cool, delivering peak performance even during your extra long creative sessions. PLANCK goes wherever you go. Record breathtaking scenes in 4K, store everything you need, and stay focused on the moment. PLANCK is built to handle every adventure. Crafted from premium aluminum and shockproof PC plastic, it is water-resistant and drop-proof. Your data stays safe no matter what. Need more? Pair PLANCK SSD with PLANCK Bank for the ultimate creative setup. With multiple USB-C ports, 4K HDMI output, and 140-watt pass-through charging, PLANCK Bank powers your workflow with ease. Why settle for one when you can have a PLANCK for every part of your life? It keeps up with your wildest ideas across smartphones, tablets, laptops, handheld consoles, gaming consoles, and more. Back yours now on Kickstarter and experience powerful, portable storage that fits in the palm of your hand.
Make it look easy. Make it look easy. Come on, won't you make it look easy. Make it look easy.
AOHI, to charge, to explore.
Introducing the ultimate solution for smartphone photography, UVIEW, the innovative rear screen device. Designed to revolutionize the way you capture content, this device attaches seamlessly to the back of your phone, allowing you to film with your main camera while seeing yourself in real time. No more guessing, blurry selfies, or endless retakes. Just crisp, professional quality content every time. Why settle for the front camera when your phone's back camera offers so much more? With one-to-one mirroring and no lag using our recommended camera app, you can easily frame your shots and ensure every detail is perfect. Whether you're vlogging, snapping family moments, or recording for social media, this device guarantees a hassle-free experience. It's incredibly simple to use. For iOS, just plug it in and start filming. Android users, download the app, let it run in the background, and you're good to go. With a 3-hour battery life, this device keeps up with your creative flow. Need a quick charge? It doubles as a battery pack, keeping your phone powered wherever you go. Take your smartphone photography to the next level with UVIEW. Say goodbye to frustrating retakes and hello to effortless, high-quality content. Get yours now and unlock the full potential of your smartphone camera. The perfect shot is just a screen away.